Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting AI tool. So where you can do your literature review wisely. So you can upload your reference paper as like chat with PDF like tools. It is also a tool where you can upload your PDF and you can get analyze that particular PDF reference paper by asking any research questions you want in that particular paper. And also you can make a better literature survey using this option. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how it will work out for our research paper writing. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that PDFai.one. So here you can see this is the dashboard of this PDFai.one. So here you will be having an option called upload PDF. So I am going to upload a reference paper to analyze that reference paper for my literature review. So just click on upload. So just click on upload PDF. Yes. So go to desktop. So here I am going to upload this paper here. So upload this paper and then click upload file. Cancel. Upload file. After that you will be getting that file upload successfully, but it will take several seconds. So you have to wait. So here you can see that our paper is uploaded. So here you can get a clearer view of our paper. So optimization of controller parameters for grid-tied photovoltaic system at faulty network using artificial neural network based 𝐾𝐽 algorithm. So this is the paper I have uploaded. So here you can see this is the paper. So here we are going to analyze this paper. So first I am going to give an input prompt, summarize important points in this paper. So like that I am going to give an input prompt. So click on send message. So it will take several seconds to generate. Yes, our content is generated. So this paper presents an optimum design procedure for multiple PA controller used in the grid-tied PV system using 𝐾𝐽 based meta-heuristic algorithm. The fitness function is derived through response surface methodology and artificial neural network to optimize the design variables effectively. The study demonstrates the effectiveness of the ANN based CSA algorithm in simultaneously optimizing 8 design variables. So like that it will generate a summarize important points summarized in this paper. So after that what you can do is so you can give an input prompt, make a literature review using this paper. So here I have given an input prompt. So here you can see that. So here you can see the author name is Hassanian and Muin. So here you can see this is the paper. So this is the author name. So here with the proper citation it is generating that. So the paper by that author name presents an optimal design procedure for multiple PA controller in grid-tied PV system using 𝐾𝐽 based meta-heuristic algorithm. The study focuses on the optimizing the design variables of PA controller to enhance fault write-through capability and system dynamics of the PV system. The research introduces a systematic approach for tuning multiple PA controllers in maximum power point tracking and inverter control utilizing ANN and RSM based CSA optimization techniques. So like that it will provide a detailed that is a literature review for you. So thereby by just uploading your paper, so you can get an instant literature review and a detailed literature review for this paper. As I have already told many times, this kind of tools is very helpful for our review paper writing. So you can make use of this option to write a review paper for you. So this will be very helpful for you to write a review paper. So next I am going to give an input from the paper. Please provide what are the further improvements can be can be made in this paper. So like that you can give an input prompt and click enter. So here it will suggest that what are the further improvement can be made with that paper. So thereby you can take it as a research objective also, and you can proceed further in your research also. So here you can see, based on the content provided by paper, assignment and mean, several potential areas for further improvement and future research can be identified. So first one is reducing computational time, next one is enhancing model accuracy, third one is exploring alternative optimization algorithms, integration of multi-objective optimization, next validation of larger scale system incorporating the dynamic system responses. So like that it will provide what are the important and further developments can be made with that paper. So you can take it as your further research, and you can improvise this paper using different algorithms. For instead of giving ANN based cuckoo search, so you can give ANFIS based particle swarm optimization, or any algorithm, the recent developed algorithm you can use to tune the parameters of PI controller in this particular optimization. So like that you can improvise that particular reference paper for further research also. So this is very important. So those who are struggling to what are the important things to improve in a particular reference paper, so you can use this kind of questions to improve the that is improve your base paper, and you can proceed your research further using that base paper itself. So make use of this option in this particular PDFai.one, and you can make your literature review writing easy, and you can use this as a research guide also. So next important thing is that pricing. So as far as plans and pricing is concerned, so you can see for monthly it is $8.9 per month. So you can upload PDF pages up to 1000 pages, and you can upload file up to 20 MB. So and PDF uploads are unlimited. So these are the plans and pricing options. Next here the important thing is that, so here you will be having an affiliate that is influencer option. So if you are an influencer or an affiliate programmer, so you can register this program, and you can earn a happy 30% commission by simple creating, sharing and getting paid. So this is how you can do with this PDFai. So next important thing is that you can get supports also in this PDFai. So like that if you are interested in, so you can go for this option. So the only thing the takeaway in this particular video is that how to ask questions in this paper, that is very important. So you can ask your questions, what are the questions you want, and you can generate or proceed a better content for your research paper. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. Go on and explore this PDFai with your reference paper, and make your literature review very easy. So thanks for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.